Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Julie F. Domingo. I'm Filipina.
Filipina. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 34 mom.
34 years old. Are you single or married?
Married mom.
Married. Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am. I have three kids, ma'am.
3 kids. Where are they now?
In the Philippines, ma'am, with my husband.
With your husband. When would you be able to start working? When can you start for a new job?
This job, ma'am.
For a new job, new job.
New job.
When can you start?
August 1, if possible, ma'am.
August 1, if possible, because you have to go back to Philippines, right? After
Yes, ma'am.
finishing your contract. Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, ma'am. My cousin.
Your cousin. Okay, so please describe your present job. What are you doing right now in your present job?
In my present job, I'm working as nanny, housemaid.
Okay. And as a housemaid, what are your duties and responsibilities?
Uh, I'm doing some cooking Arabic food.
Mm-hmm. Cooking. How about cleaning? Are you also
Yes, ma'am.
cleaning?
Cooking, cleaning, ironing, watering the plant,
Gardening. Okay.
sometimes car wash like that.
Car washing also. Okay. And how many children are under your care?
For children, my madam have 4 children and I take care. But only one mom I take care.
Oh, only one. Okay. How old? How old is the child?
3 years old mom.
3 years old. Okay. So, what do you like most about your present job? What do you enjoy? What do you enjoy doing in your present job? Do you enjoy cleaning or babysitting? Do you enjoy cleaning or babysitting? What? Which?
I enjoy all mom as my work.
Okay, so describe in details how are you going to perform your task for each location in the house. For example, your madam asks you to clean the kitchen. How are you going to clean the kitchen?
I clean it very well mom as to clean very nice, tidy up all the things.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, put a cleanser.
Okay, cleanser. You will use cleanser in cleaning the tiles and then put disinfectant. Okay? And how about the toilet? How are you going to maintain the cleanliness of the toilet?
I'm washing toilet every 2 days, mom, with the cleanser like toilet cleanser like that. I
Mhm.
brush I brush the toilet. I I put sabon like that. I wash very clean.
Okay. So, what what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I'm not opening the door, mom, if unless my madam uh, give me authority to open the door.
Okay. So you will wait for your madam's instruction.
Yes.
Okay. So, you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
Only my madam teach me how to fry like
Okay. What else aside from
the
frying?
chicken put in the oven like that with the
Okay.
with the seasoning and put. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the
Of the food.
food. It's not easy to pronounce. That's why I don't know what's the name, but little I know how to.
Okay. So you can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
You
But
can
the
follow.
hardest menu, maybe I can.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself. What qualities do you have?
I'm a born again Christian, honest, trustworthy, um,
Uh-huh.
uh, patient, lovely, like that.
Okay, honest, trustworthy, loving, and patient. Okay, so give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm a I'm Julie F. Domingo, looking for a new employer, and
Uh-huh.
I want I want a good employer to
Mm-hmm. Okay.
understanding.
Okay. An understanding. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from matv.com. Thank you.
Thank
Thanks.
you.